So,
Okay, can you state your name for the record, please? My name is Bernie Del Rionda. I'm an assistant state attorney appointed on this case, obviously involving something that happened back on Sunday, I believe it was February 26th of this year. And I know you've spoken to the Sanford Police Department, you've spoken to Florida Department of Law Enforcement, you've spoken to a bunch of people about this. And I don't want to belabor everything you've already told them, but I did have a few questions that I don't believe were asked of you, so I want to make sure that we get this under the record. Can you raise your right hand? You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes.
Okay. Has anybody threatened you in order to make the statement right now? Have I made you any promises or threatened you in any way?
No, just
Okay.
just uncomfortable.
Well, if we can stop if you feel uncomfortable.
No, that's fine. It was just, that's a lot of stress.
But I appreciate, number one, you agreeing to meet with us, and as I told you, we just got involved in the case, and so we're trying to just eyeball it, I guess, the persons who we deal with. And we've already read the statements, or I should say, listened to the statements, so I don't want to belabor all that. But in my review of the statements that you previously get, I don't know that anybody asked you specifically the sounds in terms of the struggle, how they were, and that's what I wanted to ask you, if that's all right with you. Is that all right with you?
That's fine.
Okay. What I want to ask you is, you described at some point that there was a man on top of another man.
Correct.
And from your perspective, you correct me if I'm wrong, you described the man on top either hitting or struggling with the man on the bottom. Is
Correct.
that correct? Okay.
Correct.
And the man on top, when you observed him with his hands doing something to the man on the bottom, did you ever hear like this, like a fist, like, when
No.
you've heard that before, I'm assuming, right?
Yes.
Somebody actually striking somebody hard like I'm doing right now?
Correct.
And for the record, I am not striking you, is that
No.
correct? I punched my hand, did I not?
Yes.
Okay. Did you ever hear anything like that?
No. Did not hear a punch sound.
Okay. Did you ever hear any sound like a head or another part of a body hitting concrete hard where it made a noise?
No, I did not.
Did you hear it at all?
Just the struggle sound.
Okay, so you never heard anything like a loud bang, like if I were to bang this table right here? Did you ever hear that?
No.
Okay. Mr. Guy, was there anything else you needed to add? Okay. I thank you again very much for your
You're welcome.
cooperation. That's it. And that's it.